Welcome to another adventure, Moments of Adventure. We are on our way to Mid America Outdoor Park in Jay, Oklahoma. We have side-by-side races. We have Barbie Jeep races. Supposedly there's tons and tons of trails to ride on. And there's a pool with a lazy river. I'm looking forward to it.
What else could you possibly need?
I have no idea what to expect. So we are on I-44 Turnpike. What is this?
We're on the Turner Turnpike.
We are in the middle of Oklahoma on our way to Jay, Oklahoma.
By the way, do you know how much it costs us to go on the turnpike?
About $40 probably.
$20.
One way, so 40 both ways.
There's a road warrior. Hey, buddy.
Anyway, Jay, Oklahoma, Mid America Outdoors, Memorial Day Mayhem. We will see you there. Here's our campsite with our bacon and hash brown.
Having the right tools in the kitchen is just as important as having the right tools in the garage.
Is the bacon burned?
Well, it's well done.
It's crispy.
Which is just how I like it. Look at that, yes. We opened our back end to the road, which is pretty awesome because it's a never-ending parade of side-by-sides and quads coming by all day and all evening. Oh, my brother and sister-in-law came with their new-to-them Razor, and I think this was their first time riding off their property.
Yes.
And they had a blast. So
I hope they had a good time.
They said they did. So hopefully we'll get to do some more riding with them, and you'll see them on the channel.
Yeah, that was the prettiest, cleanest used Razor I have ever seen, and I'm glad they were with us when they finally got it a little dirty.
Yeah.
This is a great place. This is, I don't know how many acres, but I think we hit all the sections yesterday for the trail riding. Now, we didn't hit all the trails by any means, but we hit all the sections, and they're fun.
They're fun.
They're fun. They're not a point A to point B like Colorado, Utah, places like that. It's more of an open free-for-all. Yeah. But which is kind of cool because you get to discover different parts of it. Go up and then down into a creek, and then back up and down. Up and down.
I think we only passed 2 creeks.
Well,
Creeks.
I think normally
What do you call
may have
creeks? We
What do you
passed
call
2
them?
creeks.
It's a creek.
It's a creek.
Either way, this is a good time. It's been a great time. It's been a good 3 days.
Fun, and it was beautiful.
Yeah, they weren't the trails like Colorado and Utah where you have a beginning and an end. It was and I don't want to say free-for-all because that sounds bad, but there was just a lot of different places you could ride within a huge enclosed area.
So if you look at Gaia Maps, it's going to look like a spider web mash of stuff, and that's what it is, because I'm pretty sure the trails evolve over time because of the grass growing and coming back, and maybe from season to season it's a little bit different.
Yeah.
But Dale's right, it's not like a free-for-all, but you're in some of the there's specific ways down into the hollow, but up in the pasture land I think it ebbs and flows. It changes.
Yeah, you have some gravel roads, you have some grass prairie, you have some dirt 2-track. Now it is strictly UTV. You can take a motorcycle out there, you can take a Jeep out there. You would not have fun in a Jeep. But a side-by-side, that's fun. It's a good time.
Yeah.
Well, shit. I gotta walk this freaking hill. So the trails were really nice. They're, you know, it's not anything too difficult at all. I think there was one spot where you took a couple of tries to get up the hill, but I think that's just the tires that we have. We're set up for rocks. We're set up for slick rock, Moab, Colorado. And once you get into that loose shale stuff, you really need some aggressive mud tires. But you made it. You made it several times.
It also would have helped if I was in four-wheel drive.
Oh, I did not hear this part.
No, you said, are you in four-wheel drive? And I was not. And it's not the first time that's happened, because I still pay attention.
Those of you that have side-by-sides, just keep it in four-wheel drive. It doesn't hurt anything.
Well, why was it out?
I have no clue.
Oh.
You drove all weekend.
Now the boys are going to go. I think we'll be able to hear their engine noise, how many times it takes. Here's number one.
Nice job there, Scott.
Well, we got it ready for them. They didn't have trouble at all.
Totally.
Whatever, you're welcome.
What's wrong with your front wheel situation?
You know, it makes that conk sound.
Does it do it all the time now?
On the climbing thing.
Oh.
Conk.
Like every time you climb?
Just the steepest one. The steep one.
Oh. Hope so.
So the riding school, there's a couple of creeks to pass through. Just really pretty scenery.
Every single time. Sitting here waiting in the Razor, waiting for Leanna to come out. We are going to head out to the pool. Not go to the pool, we're going to go by the pool and go check out the side-by-side races. They're supposed to have UTV. They are having UTV short track races going on. Heartland Racing Association is, I guess, who runs it. And they had short course racing all weekend, which was fun too.
It was fun to watch.
So we are at Mid America Outdoors, currently sitting on top of a hill watching the UTV short course races. This is kind of cool.
It is. It's actually more fun than I thought it would be. There's a couple jumps. Some of them don't make it so great. There's a couple corners that you're just waiting for somebody to flip over.
Yeah.
It's kind of fun.
Some of us have a beer in our hand.
Some of us have water.
Oh, okay.
But shout out to Matt and Zero. I'm repping New Zealand today.
Hey, nice. So currently they're watering the track. Waiting for the next race to go.
Where that truck is going over, that's when I want to jump.
bridge over that?
Yeah, you jump the bridge too, but this one looks really fun.
The pool, and Dale's right, there's some money in that facility. They have a pool. I don't know. We've never been side-by-side riding with a pool.
No.
Ever.
No. Can you tell that we're even at an off-road park? Because there's a pool.
The pool is actually nice. They have a little kid splash pad, which was not running while we were there, but they have a lazy river, and then they had a little, what was that, like 2 or 3 inch water where we just stuck our feet in for a little bit, and it was refreshing and great.
Or even side-by-side riding and then go back to your home base and then go to a bar. I mean, it's kind of an all-for-one type thing. Now, we camp in national forests, so I get it. It's completely different. And one is not better than the other. It's just different. And it's fun. I had a fun weekend. The poker run was a little small. It was only 5 spots.
Because I think there weren't a lot of events, everyone wanted to do the poker run. So it was really crowded. And you had to wait in line, like not just like a 3 or 4 people line, but you had to wait in line for your card. And because we're in Oklahoma and everyone is sociable and a chatty Cathy, you couldn't just get your car and go into the next spot. Like, I wanted to be in a hurry. I think with a couple more spots that you could have stopped would have made the difference.
We were getting ready to do the poker run. We got our little map. We got our Onyx maps. And we're going to win.
7.
King. What'd you guys get on your paper?
So far, a 7 and a 10.
Oh, the same suit? Oh, Leanna's going for a flush.
Oh, I can do flush.
You didn't even know, did you?
I did not. No, we do now.
Hello.
Hello, yeah. All right, let's see how you do here.
Oh!
Oh!
I got a pair!
Okay.
That's some bull shark.
Ruined my flush though.
Come on, spade, spade, spade.
What is this? Is this a number?
Spade.
That's what we were wondering.
I don't know if it's a 2 or a 7. It's
Or
not
a
going to
wild
matter.
card.
We're getting a flush.
Our leader. I think it's still right.
What'd you get?
Look at her.
Oh.
Pair of 10s.
He has a pair of aces.
Nice.
I have a flush still. I have 3 spades.
Nice. Well, good luck.
All right.
Choose well. May the odds be ever in your favor.
Come on.
Oh, you blew your flush.
Man, I don't have anything.
They do have a worst hand contest. I've seen worse. Okay.
We did the poker run yesterday. We did not win. We did not lose, so we did not win any prizes. It could have been longer. It could have been longer.
Yeah, it could have been longer. The organization, I think, could be improved. Because every station you just stood and waited. Like, there's got to be a faster way. But
Well,
it'd been more fun if you had to go and get back by a certain time, like Cannonball Run style.
you'd be hitting shoulders with people though to get your cards.
Yeah, I guess so.
Give me my card.
I cut in line once and they chit chat. It's not chit chat. Let's pass the card out. Go on.
Food was good. We went to the food trucks.
Yeah.
Food trucks was a good time. I had a hot dog a couple of times.
Hot dog, I think you didn't even try other things because you wanted the hot dog.
Hey, tasted good. Had a couple of ice cream cones.
They get a snow cone. They're hand cranking it.
I also had some street tacos, which were amazing.
Very excited about my tacos.
And I think probably the best snow cone of my entire life. Shark bite. Boo-ha.
What made it so good?
It had gummy bears on it and whipped cream and like gummy sharks actually. It had gummies on it. I don't know. It was so the gummies made it fun, but it was good.
Very good.
Oh, I don't know if I have it on video or not. This guy had gotten this ice cream cone and he turned around and I don't know exactly what happened, but the whole thing fell and he caught it with his hand. I personally probably would have gone back and said, hey, this just fell, can I have another one? But he like put it back on his cone and ate it.
Good for him. That's dedication right there.
Way to go, sir.
Yeah. That's what napkins are for. Mid America Outdoors. Highly recommended for a weekend.
And it was just really nice. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, make sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel.
See you on YouTube.
See you next time. No.
By the way, as you notice, not only does Leanna always drive the Razor, she always drives the pickup now. So
Leanna does not always
I am the passenger princess of the couples. It's kind of relaxing.
Leanna is driving because Dale is supposed to be working today. This is when it looks like when Dale works.
No, it's not.
Where's your computer, Dale?
It's right down here. Might be back there. It's right there.
If you didn't clench your butt cheeks, you're doing good.
I thought it was very comparable.
Did you see that big dent that Scott put in the door? Oh my gosh.
No.
Melissa, look for it. It's in the door.
Oh, you broke something. Here's where the shit starts.
Testing 1 2 3. Testing 1 2 3.
These might be the next on our bucket list. Oh.
Very possible.
Can the camera see we have to push a button every time we talk?
Maybe.